What's going on, YouTube? Trent here from Truck Life Productions again. What kind of mess we got going on here? Well, let's start peeling back the layers and see what we got. Get all this plastic out the way. Yeah, I know. Hood's a different color. Don't worry. One day it'll all be the same color. Just right now it's temporary to get some of the rust off of it. Okay, so right now I'm temporarily leaving that in just so I can clean all this stuff up. Clean off all this old gasket and stuff everywhere around the window. I have gotten quite a bit of a start on it already. Just some of that sealant that we put in that got through the old sealant stuff they had on it from the factory. They just kind of keep the beauty ring sealed up, but as you see, I got it off too, so I'm gonna clean it up real good, get all that nice wiped down, a little bit of Dawn mix wipe down so that way it cleans it up, makes it look all fresh and new, and then we'll go from there and start putting everything back in. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the next day, which is actually the day after my birthday, because yesterday was my birthday. My dad and me ended up putting the window back in, the seal around the window, beauty ring, and I actually got a new third brake light too that I put in. So the reason I didn't film it is because it actually ended up being hotter than I expected yesterday. The camera was acting up with wanting to record, being in straight direct sunlight. So you know, if I ever have to do this again, which I probably won't, but if I ever have to do it again, I'll probably end up doing it underneath like a carport cover or something, so it's a little less hot and sunny if that's how the day decides to be. But as you see here, it's pretty nice. Now I did end up going around it because I had a little bit of a leak from like a clip. I know this one on this side did. The other side maybe had a little bit of a leak, but it wasn't as bad as this side. But I'm not sure if it was coming in from the outside up here where it didn't quite come all the way to the edge over here. But on the other side, I think it was basically the same way, but it didn't quite have as much of a leak because there was barely anything that I noticed in the bottom floorboard. But so as you can tell, it's been raining today, and so far everything in here, this is where it leaked into, and this is all going to be cleaned up as I start getting it all cleaned up. But as you can tell, it looks like it's dry. There may be a wet spot back there, which I'm going to have to do a little more digging into just to make sure, because I want to make sure this thing ain't leaking at all whenever I get ready to you know, put everything back in, put the new carpet in and all that. But if you hear it clicking over there, so far with having this thing opened up, and I tried the little lock clip thing where, you know, you close up the lock and clip it off as if the door was closed, but for some reason I guess it didn't work, or maybe the front one worked, but like the front door over there worked, but the back door, maybe with it being open, it didn't quite work or something like that. I don't know, but the battery's about ran dead, so I'm gonna jump it off real quick and then we'll go from there, and we'll see what happens. Let me go ahead and get that set up real quick, get this thing up and running again. Alright y'all, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I know this video is kind of choppy a little bit, but I'm trying to get y'all some stuff together and get y'all some videos out. You know, you see the back window in it right there. I've tweaked up a little bit. I've tried to see if there was any leaks anywhere. I kind of noticed a little bit of a spot where some water was seeping in. Basically, I just tightened it up a little bit, tightened up the screws a little bit. We'll see what it does from there, but other than that, it's definitely not bubbling up like it was. I know if it's hard to hear me, it's because the way that this truck is right now, with everything out of it, it's kind of like a big old tin can. But I am going to be putting sound deadener in it. I did get some sound deadener in. Hopefully I got enough of it to complete everything I need to do, but I want to get what I can done, what I've got, and if I have to get any extra, I'll do that. Especially the roof up there, as you see, nothing's up there. But once I get all that starting to get back in, I'm going to try to go ahead and touch up some of these rough spots with the side of the cab, or the rocker panel area, and then same thing with the back where the seats bolt up, so that way I can go ahead and get that knocked out, go ahead and get the flooring in, the seats in. I know it's a little bit of a bumpy ride. It looks like the camera's kind of shaking a little bit, but the one of my tires, I think it's a little bit out of round. But I'm gonna plan on swapping them out anyway, throwing something else on, but that's for another day. But it's honestly not that bad of a ride. The camera just kind of giving it a little bit worse of a ride than it looks. But again, yeah, sorry about the video being so choppy. Hopefully the next one's